Okay, we're at Canebrake Pool. This is the day use area. A few barbecues for wood fires. Unfortunately this time of year there's a fire ban, so you can't use them. You have to use your own gas stoves. Nobody down here at the moment but us. There are 9 campsites. All of them are fairly decent size. So number 1 looks like it's pretty good for caravan. And so there's a place to park your car next to it. You can have dogs here on a lead. Of course you're not allowed to camp in the day use area. The campsites are a little bit further back. Nice campsite, but unfortunately to get here you've got to come down a very corrugated road. We came out here about 10 years ago and the road was just as bad as it is today, so it doesn't look like they ever bothered to grade it. It's a bit interesting that they say bins have not been provided when there is a big skip bin up in the campsite. Maybe they're just talking about the day use area. When campfires are permitted here, it looks like they provide a good pile of wood. Usually campfires are okay from about the 15th of April through to the end of November. But even then you've got to check for total fire bans. Of course, when a total fire ban is on, you have no fires whatsoever, including your gas stove. This is marked as the overflow site, I assume for overflow camping. There's not a lot here. It's just a big turnaround. It's on a sloping site, so I suppose if you've got nothing else to go to it'll do, but I wouldn't want to come here. And this is how some scumbags treat our bush and our campsites. They're throwing their garbage everywhere. Unfortunately no bins here, and I don't have a rubbish bag with me, otherwise I'd pick this lot up. You know, doing this sort of thing in the bush is just plain dumb. The one nice thing about the overflow site is it is right next to some water, but it obviously attracts the wrong sort of people. Unusually for a deep ore site, most of the places here, most of the campsites are a reasonable size. They will just about all fit a caravan or a motorhome.